Namaste my friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this small video I am going to show, depending upon the weekly CPR, how we can predict the market movement and their trend. This is the Bank Nifty chart. On the 16th of August, that is on the Monday, the market opened above this weekly high. This horizontal 3 line which you are seeing is this weekly CPR. This blue line is the weekly CPR, and this blue line is the weekly high, and this red line is the weekly resistance. So this crisscross red line is the monthly resistance. So whenever we see the CPR was bit average and wide, the market won't be trending. The market has to originate from this CPR. Usually the market candles originate from the CPR, but here as you can see on this 16th of August, when the market opened, it opened exactly above this weekly CPR. So here the sellers try to take the market on, but this monthly resistance acted as a support. So from there market again bounce, and again the buyers try to take the market till this weekly resistance. This red horizontal line is the weekly resistance. So on 18th of August the market was bit volatile. So here on today, that is on the 19th of August, the market was bearish. As you can see, the first candle was a bearish big candle facing resistance from this previous day high. This dotted blue line is the previous day high. So even though the first candle touched this daily CPR, one may wonder they may take the they may go long like buying CE, but as you can see, the market started consolidating here. The one has to analyze the market before taking any trade. As you can see, the first candle, even though it broke this weekly resistance, but if the market has to move up, it has to open above this. But the first candle was taking that previous day high. So even when you see this weekly this Nifty 50 chart, the first candle was a bearish candle, but it was, even though the first candle was taking support of this weekly resistance, but the first candle was neither convincing. See, as you can see, the first candle, it was not convincing bullish candle, and it didn't open exactly above that weekly resistance and even this previous day high. If this first candle opened above this weekly resistance and this previous day high, the candles may take support from there and the market may bounce. So one may go long. So but here the market opened in between, the candles was sandwiched between this previous day high and even this weekly resistance. So here sellers are aggressive here. Whenever we see this kind of a candle, like the candle is sandwiched between these two pivots, we have to wait for the right opportunity. Means we have to see the price action, then we have to take the entry. So as you can see, the Bank Nifty was very bearish. So here the market started consolidating, and here this candle, as you can see, it was started facing resistance from this previous day high and even this weekly resistance. And I am going to show this Bank Nifty chart. See, as you can see, whenever you see this kind of a chart, like see, whenever the market opens, it has to originate from this weekly CPR, but on this 16th of August the market opened above that. So the market is correcting. Now the market may take support from this weekly CPR. So market has to touch this weekly CPR. That is my analysis. Let's see if the market opened above this, if the market originated from this weekly CPR, the market may take support from this weekly high. This weekly high usually acts as a supply zone. Now it may act as a support, but here the sellers are very aggressive. So since from Monday the market hasn't touched this weekly CPR, so here the sellers may take the market down till this weekly CPR. As you can see, today the daily CPR in Bank Nifty neither narrow, it was average day CPR, and even in Nifty it was a bit wide CPR, neither a narrow CPR. So depending upon the market trend, we can't predict, like whenever you see the narrow CPR, there will be a trending day. Whenever you see this wide CPR, the market going to a sideways, nothing like that. This weekly pivot and this weekly CPR just give us a hint like how the market movement will be. And even just to confirm, not for a reference, I do see this India VIX chart. See this India VIX chart on today, it was a first candle was a bullish candle. Whenever the market in India VIX move this, the India VIX and our Indian market both goes in opposite direction. So whenever the India VIX is going above, means it was trending, our Indian market may go down. So as you can see, the first candle was a bullish candle in India VIX. So the market is going up in India VIX. So our Indian market is going down in Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty. It is not exactly the same case, but usually it works. Whenever you see in sideways market, by seeing this India VIX chart, we can't take the trade. We will trap in the trade. See this India VIX, we can see the value is in 18. So whenever you see the 18, the market going to be volatile. So and even I will show this Nifty, SGF Nifty. See, the market was facing resistance from this previous day high, this blue line, and it is falling from there. And I am going to show, just disabling this daily CPR, and you will get the visual how the market moves. This, see, I will enable this moving average. See friends, since from 16th August the market was trending. This black line is the 200 moving average. So the market was trending. Whenever we see the market above this 200 moving average, the market going to a trending, but from that region the market is falling. Now the market may take support from this weekly CPR. See, since from Monday the market opened above this weekly high. So here, even though the buyers may try to take the market up, but here the seller may show their strength and they try to take the market down till this weekly CPR. So depending upon this weekly CPR and this monthly pivots, we can just analyze and predict how the market move will be. If you like this simple video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel friends. Thank you.